Sorry, gotta pay the bills.
Microjig, maker of the gripper. Work safer, work smarter.
Just like that, my assembly table is now done. A quick little tour. This thing features 3 cabinets down below. one of which has 3 different sized drawers that will house anything from big items such as my nail guns, hammers, biscuit joiner, all the way up to smaller items such as my sanders, bench cookies, sanding supplies, chisels, as well as table paper hidden inside the drawer. So if I ever do glue ups on the tabletop and I don't want glue to get on the tabletop, I've got table paper right here ready to go that I can pull out, cut, and then hide away inside the drawer. This cabinet features my air compressor and dust collection with an old Craftsman shop vac that I had around the shop. Utilized it with PVC pipe that is all accessible right here in my tool tray. 2 1/4 outlet, as well as 2 air compressor outlets for my nail guns, as well as any other tool to blow off the tabletop. The top itself is a torsion box assembly that is 3 inches thick, which gives it plenty of girth for pounding on items whenever you're trying to assemble them. Also has a Rockler T-track system in it, which gives you tons of versatility with clamps to be able to hold your workpieces in place while you're either card scraping, assembling, planing, anything that you might need. Now, another cool feature that I added into this cabinet was storage for my KREG jig cabinet. I've got a pull-out tray here with a divider down the middle for all my accessories to go on one side, as well as the KREG jig itself. And then the cabinet easily fits on that side. Then down below I have my 24-inch dovetail jig that sits on a riser block right here. Now the riser block is stationary because I felt that if I had a drawer and I was putting this big, bulky, heavy item in, the drawer would probably move on me and cause more trouble than it was worth. So I screwed this down, and none of these are glued together, so if they get damaged from sliding this thing in and out, I can replace it easily. I can pull this out and put it back just as easy either way. Now, one little hitch that I had in the assembly of this particular cabinet is the door. As you can see, there are pockets right here for some concealed hinges. But when I installed the door, this pull-out tray hit the door. Unfortunately, it did not open like I anticipated, so instead of delaying the time to get it done, I had some spare hardware in my cabinet that wraps around face frames. And it's just basically a barrel hinge that has a self-closing mechanism. I'm not able to put Blue Motion self-close, but it still holds it shut. So as you can see, this table is an awesome addition to the shop. And now that I've got it finished, doing projects here on this table, everything readily accessible, you cannot beat it. So guys, that's all I've got. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna get a lot of good use. I hope you guys build one for yourself. If you do, please share it with me. I would love to see it. So until next time, I will talk to you later. Have a good night. Be safe. Boom!